How to get rid of termites completely plus prevention methods. It's critical to act swiftly if you believe termites are present in your home. When you hear hollow sounds coming from the wood and see mud tubes, you know they're taking over. Termites may inflict a lot of damage before you even notice they're there, so it pays to be cautious. Orkin, a pest management firm, reports that termite damage and control cost American homeowners $5 billion annually. Hiring a reputable pest control company is the best approach to eradicate termites from your property. The experience, knowledge, and commercial-grade products and equipment of a trained technician surpass even the most astute homeowner. What are the different types of termites? Subterranean and drywood termites are the two main species of termites found in the United States. Knowing which type you have to deal with is crucial because different treatment approaches may be needed. For subterranean termites, you can build poisonous barriers. However, for drywood termites, you will need to fumigate the area or treat the affected areas. 1. Subterranean termites. Subterranean termites can be found in your home's foundation wood, soil, and any compost piles that surround it. They build highways, or mud tubes, through your house using dirt and timber. This termite species' saw-toothed jaws allow them to generally cause more damage than drywood termites. Subterranean termites have the ability to entirely collapse a building if given enough time. 95% of termite damage in the United States, according to Orkin, is caused by subterranean termites. Across the nation, subterranean termites are prevalent. Subterranean termites have a thin shape and range in length from 1/8 to 3/8 inch. Their cast determines their hue. Workers are a light cream tint, but soldiers have brown heads but the same body tone. Termites that reproduce occur in two varieties and hues. The supplementary reproductives are creamy white, while the primary reproductives are black or brown. Termite colonies underground can grow to be enormous, containing anything from 100,000 to 1 million termites. 2. Drywood termites. Drywood termites can only survive in wood, but subterranean termites need touch with soil to survive. They are only restricted to the warmer coastal zones and do not form mud tubes for transportation. The size and color range of drywood termites is 1/8 to 1/2 inches. Similar to subterranean termites, white termites directly harm the wood. The color spectrum of the winged drywood termites ranges from light brown to yellow-tan. Colonies of drywood termites can have up to 2,500 members. Getting rid of subterranean and drywood termites. 1. Boric acid. One effective way to eliminate termites is by using boric acid. Boric acid is a very potent insecticide that is the main ingredient in many termite insecticides that you can purchase at the shop. The termite is rendered dehydrated and has its nervous system shut down by the action of boric acid. Just evenly spray the acid into all of the cracks and crevices in the walls, ceiling, and flooring. 2. Diatomaceous earth. By burning through their exoskeleton and dehydrating them, this technique kills termites. Silica-based exoskeletons from ancient aquatic creatures make up diatomaceous earth. Simply scatter the powder over any suspected termite locations and watch for termites to move over it. 3. Cardboard trap. Upon locating the termite infestation source, wet 2 pieces of cardboard and stack them on top of one another to create a sort of homemade bait. The termites will be drawn to the cellulose in the cardboard, and they will become trapped between the 2 pieces. Afterwards, you can take the cardboard outside and burn it. This is not a very effective method, as there's no guarantee it will trap every termite, as they reproduce quickly. Additionally, maintenance is essential. If too many dead termite bodies stack up, it will discourage more termites from crawling to the cardboard. How to prevent termites. Termites can't find your home as enticing or accessible in a number of ways. These are the best approaches. 1. Check for leaks. Without moisture, subterranean termites cannot survive. To keep them away, keep your house dry, paying extra attention to your roof and air conditioner. 2. Clean gutters and pipes. Termites adore hiding in warm, humid, and dark environments. To stop termites from taking up residence, frequently clean out gutters and pipelines. 3. Fill in cracks and crevices. Where pipes join the wall in your foundation, caulk and seal the opening. Don't forget to seal windows and doors. 4. Watch out for wood. It's critical that you avoid leaving tree stumps in your yard or stacking firewood up against your house because termites are drawn to the cellulose in wood. When constructing your home, always remember to leave a minimum of 6 inches between your porch, deck, or patio and the ground. Additionally, wherever feasible, choose termite-resistant wood. 5. Be careful with mulch. Soil is necessary for subterranean termites, and some mulch varieties include wood. Instead, use mulch composed of pebbles or rubber components. 6. Get regular inspections. Naturally, having a professional pest control firm do routine termite inspections is the best way to prevent termites. Last words. Contact a reputable pest treatment business to conduct an investigation if you think you may have termites of any kind in your home. These persistent vermin can swiftly erode your home's foundation. The short-term benefits of DIY techniques can be marginal, but they can't compete with the tools, supplies, and knowledge of professionals. An expert, trustworthy pest control business will be able to locate access points, recognize colonies, and develop a strategy for treatment. The majority of pest control businesses employ multiple strategies based on the unique requirements of your house. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.